Hello everybody, my name is An Chan Tech, the Chan, the one and only. I know I rarely make videos because I'm always, busy in real life, such as work. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 offline style. What does it mean by offline style is, I know Microsoft, and we all know, Microsoft has been trying to get everyone to this Microsoft account, like either a work account or Hotmail account or Outlook account. Basically, don't like people using offline local user. They want everybody to use the cloud, basically. So let's go straight to it. So as you see here, this is my Hyper-V. So I set it up like this, 25H2 as you see here as of today, TPM. And I make sure the adapter is not connected, For example, you have a PC or laptop, make sure it's all network cables plugged out. Right, so what I'm going to do is boot from the DVD. Make it full screen. Okay. English. Windows 11 from scratch. Everything will be deleted. So I'm going to install from scratch. I'd have a key. Let's choose Pro. Next. I'm going to fast forward certain bits because I don't take, go straight to the point. Okay, you have to skip the whole setup so you can go straight to the point. So now we're here to the setup. So let's go to on the UK. So I'll go next. UK keyboard. Skip. Okay, so here, because I plug out the network, so I got no internet, it says I must have a network. Look, install driver. Oh, so I can't go through. But don't worry, we'll press the Shift and F10 button. Now, back then, you could do the BypassNRO, but that don't work anymore. So this is how you do command. So, on here, this is what you type. That's the command you got to add. Let's see if this works. And voila! I don't have an internet. There you go. I don't have an internet. There you go. That's how it's done. So, if you type in correctly, that will pop up. I don't have an internet. There you go. So I can add my name. Let's see. Let's put An Chen. That's my username. So that's my local device now. No. If it's like if you got Wi-Fi, then you can press yes, but because it's got to be cables, I'll press no. But you can press no if you want anyway. So I'll press no. No. Even if I press yes to track it, you can't track cable anyway. Some think they can, but maybe not. No. No, I'm trying to minimize all the ads. Aye. I'm gonna fast forward this actually. Now I've been told that some tech guys, yeah, on YouTube got flagged for this video because of not this one, but these kind of videos because they know how to bypass Microsoft online account. So if my video gets flagged, then I'll just have to yeah, connect. I'll just have to there you go. Look at that. Local count. All local. Anchan local. Let's show you proof. It's 25H2. So let's go to, yeah, I didn't activate because it's not. So I'll go to about. Yeah, okay. 25H2. As of 25 of January. There you go. And that's how you do an offline installation. Please let me know what you think of this video. Let me know if it works, still works, as of a certain time. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But if it does, it still does. But that's how it works on my one. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'd like to thank you for viewing. And Chan out.